Seller Vision Pro introductional video, getting started with Inventory Watcher. After your install of Seller Vision Pro, you will find Inventory Watcher as your first screen onto your introduction of the software. As you will notice, the top banner contains your product details and your right side panel contains your inventory panel. In the center of the screen, you will find your best sellers, worst sellers, most profitable, least profitable, low stock alerts, and inactive stocks alerts. Beginning with best sellers, you will find a detailed tile view of each one of your best selling items based on sales for the past 30 days. You can also filter these items based on all your inventory, FBA only inventory, or merchant only inventory. Worst sellers shows you the same view, only with the items that have the least amount of sales in the past 30 days. Again, they can be filtered by all, FBA, and merchant. Moving on to most profitable items, you get an overview of the items that have sold with the most profit. Again, they can also be filtered. The same goes for least profitable items. Moving forward to the low stock alert, you will find a filter is now shown on the top upper left hand corner of the screen just under the product details, and you can filter, you can set your criteria based on sales dating back 7 days, for example, with stock less than 25 items. Click on Gather Report and Seller Vision Pro will automatically show you all orders, all items which have sold at least once in the past 7 days, which have at least a stock less than 25 fulfillable items or less. The field takes at least a couple seconds to a few minutes to populate completely. As with any feature of Inventory Watcher, you may right-click, copy to clipboard, and all the information will be copied to clipboard to be pasted into any of your text editing software such as Microsoft Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. Moving on to Inactive Stock Alert, again you will be presented with a filter to the top, and you can set your required profit to whichever profit you would like to set your minimum profit to. For example, we will set it to 15% minimum profit, and then pressing refresh will have Inventory Watcher show you any inactive items you have which can still provide you a 15% profit and which you may consider to restock to get your 15% profit back on the items. Again, you may allow from a few seconds to a few minutes for Inventory Watcher to fully populate the field. As with all items in Inventory Watcher, you may filter by all, FBA, or merchant, and can right-click to copy to clipboard and paste in any type of word editing program such as Excel, which we can paste into Excel. This completes the demonstration of Inventory Watcher in Seller Vision Pro.